what's up Chainlink holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Chainlink. So my friends, just watch this video, just look at this time situation of the Chainlink and what's going on in this time in a Chainlink. Keep watching this video for more details and click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the latest price of Chainlink in the market is 24.98 USD dollar. That is the latest price of Chainlink in the market, 24.98 USD dollar, my friends. And if you look the BTC price of the Chainlink at this time, so 0.0006258.9 is the Bitcoin price of the Chainlink. And if you look the 24 hours trading volume, the market cap, let me show you my friends clearly. And now you can easily understand the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, every update is on the front of your eyes, my friends. Just let's see, my friends, the price changes. Oh my goodness, my friends, you can see here the previous changes of the Chainlink is going good. The last 7 days, last 24 hours pricing is going positive, my friends. 3.05% positive changes in the last 24 hours, my friends. But now the currently situation of the Chainlink is going wrong. The last 1 hour pricing is negative, my friends. You know what? If the price of any cryptocurrencies falls down, so that's not mean that you decide to sell, you're disappointed, my friends. No, you know what, my friends? Every cryptocurrencies falls down for a little time, my friends, but you have to hold. Every cryptocurrencies falls down for some time. That's not mean that you decide to sell. You have to hold, my friends. At this time, I recommend for all Chainlink holders that please hold to the last of this month, my friends, because now the Chainlink is in the pumping mood, and now only the last 1 hour pricing is negative, my friends. Not a big jump so far in the Chainlink. You can see it from the price chart. It's clear that Chainlink start jumping from the previous last 4 or 5 days. So I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. My prediction is also going positive about Chainlink. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.